accidentally sent my crush a 3 a.m. voice memo of me snoring. He made it his ringtone. I was doomed. Scrolling at 3 a.m. when my thumb slipped and somehow activated voice recording in Jake's DMs. I fell asleep. Seconds later, phone still in hand. Woke up to horror. A 47-minute voice memo sent to my gym crush of 3 months. Pure unfiltered snoring with occasional sleep mumbles about Tira, my cat. I contemplated moving states, put my name, faking my own death. Instead, I sent a mortified apology. Please delete without listening. I accidentally recorded myself slurping. His response came minutes later. Too late. Already heard your Coolio dreams. Best thing I've received all year. I avoided the gym for a week until we literally collided in the protein powder aisle at Whole for Essie. His phone rang, and there it was, my Snoring, blasting through the store. You made it your ringtone? I whisper. See what? Wanting to dissolve into the floor. He grinned. Only for your calls. I've never heard someone sleep mumble bench press me to freedom before. I said what? Also, you named your future cat Lieutenant Whiskers. Very respectable rank. We've been dating 3 months now. He still uses that ringtone. And yes, we adopted Lieutenant Whiskers last week. Sometimes your most embarrassing moment becomes someone else's favorite thing about you.